Okay. So Arnon Kas in from YouTube. Thanks for watching, Arnon. He says, "Hello. We are also starting to have surprising drone flights in Paris, France, Lyon, and Marseille." Well, we're assuming you're from France. Thanks for watching in France. First of all, we don't know who you are, so you could be totally trolling us, and you probably are. Yeah, but if you are trolling us, thanks. That actually makes us feel really good. We're being trolled. Have you heard anything about drones in Paris?
I have not, but I mean, this is how. What movie was this where they showed up everywhere? Was it Independence Day where
Yeah.
they they just go to certain parts of the country and like landing and like waiting the giant crash. So it could be, I don't know, dude. I don't
All
know, but
right.
it's weird.
Unfortunately for Arnon Cassius 57, I cannot find anything on the old Google machine about drones in France. But maybe Google's being completely controlled by the government too, and they don't want us to know what's going on in France. Our
You know what it
prayers
is?
go out to you because you're fucked if that's
It's,
true.
Mac-
You're
it's
so fucked
Macron's
in
old
France.
ass wife.
What's that?
It's Macron's old ass wife floating in the sky on some sort of parasail, perhaps.
She does look like a sleeve stack from Land of the Lost. She does look odd. Like she looks like if a lizard
Grandma
person
wife.
was faking being a person, that's what you would have what it would look like. His wife looks like a lizard person. Like remember V from the old days? V the visitors and there were lizards inside. That's what I think she is. It's good to know they're watching us in Francais. I tried to pull up drones in France. I don't say it. I do see a lot of stuff saying drones are not allowed in France, which is weird. Bishop, have you heard about that? Drones not.
I don't know about that.
Google is
I don't know about
saying
that.
drones are outlawed in France. You can't fly them, according to what I just pulled up.